Respectful of one another. When you hear your name called, because you're obviously going to win, right? Yeah. When you hear your name called, jump up, scream, shout, wave your arms in the air. If we don't see you, we're going to go to the next name pretty quickly. So you got to let us know you're here. Are you guys here? Yeah. All right, speaking of being here, I've been looking out the crowd, and I see someone that's shown some exceptional GoPro spirit in the form of a GoPro costume. Why don't you come up here and tell us your name? She's so excited. What's your name?
Camille.
Everyone give it up for Camille. Okay, so the reason I called her up here today. Oh my God. How come you guys all can't be like that? Okay, there's one thing wrong with your thing here, your camera. No, it's a Hero 3. Not a Hero 3 Plus. Which is why we're going to give you a Hero 3 Plus Black Edition. But don't worry, we got more. We didn't take that out of the allotment for you guys. You guys are still going to get some more. Alright guys, you know Kevin Custer. Give it up for Kevin. He's going to give you another camera. Do you guys like GoPros?
Oh, this is GoPro gimbal. We asked.
Where's that?
You take a video, you walk in, they can stream it for
Where's
you.
that product at? Where's it located? Who makes it?
Oh, we
Beholder?
company. Yeah, Beholder.
Are they here?
Mm-hmm. The booth number right here.
Okay, cool man. Thank you. Can you give them this to me?
Yeah, you can try it. Hold it. When you walk in, the keeper is stable.
So we got the shit.
Can we record it? You can go. Yeah.
Really cool.
And, oh, okay.